We are at Stony Rapids East in Canada. Early morning. Progressing forward. Beautiful sunrise. And we see a little thing here. Oh, look at that. What could cause that? Kind of looks like maybe two light sources here. Yeah, it looks like there's something off to the side there. Let's take a look at that a little closer. All right, so, oh, okay. Well, first, this is another airport that I found. This one, this is also in Canada, and this morning. And then this is the picture that we were just looking at, where we can see a little something off to the side. I've enhanced it a little bit. You can clearly see that there's a yellow object off to the right, which in my opinion would be our real yellow sun that we've been looking for. What's in front here is more than likely a sun simulator, NASA patent. And when we enhance it, we can clearly see that we've got a white object here in that all familiar hexagonal shape. And then what could be our yellow sun in the background there being obfuscated because it's being so weakened due to a possible incoming brown dwarf. What's causing the halo? Well, it could be that this is a gas giant in the background and our yellow sun is behind that. And the white sun simulator is being used to try to hide it from us. But clearly there is something there creating this magnificent halo. This is the same airport, but this time we're looking to the southeast. Same sunrise. We can see it down here. All right, so I went back to this one and did a little enhancement, and we can see that there's more than likely a couple of objects here. Also, interestingly, is the signature object with the hole in it right there. We also can see an orb right there. And let's see, I'll take down the brightness, lower the contrast. So we clearly have some strange happenings in this particular image. There's a very red orb, object with the hole in it. More than likely a sun simulator, and perhaps our yellow sun down below here. I decided to go ahead and cut this one out and take a closer look at it. It seems like it's could be two potential objects. So there we have that, and I will increase the contrast. And it does look that way. So there you have it. We're at Fort McMurray, looking to the southeast, up in Canada, where those mysterious fires took place. And here we've got, I back up, we've got the halos, and we can clearly see we've got what some will call sundogs coming out each side. I'd like to believe that that is not exactly as they would like us to believe, that that is more that there is an object in between the sun simulator and then the object, and then our real sun in the background, emitting more of the yellow color light that we're accustomed to instead of this hexagonal nut, white, bright lightning that we're seeing coming off this NASA fake sun simulator. This may be a combination of the two. We're looking to the north here at Bob Quinn Lake in Canada, getting over towards the west coast gradually here. And this is something I observed this morning as well here in Vermont, was that the northern sky was pink. And also draw your attention to this object here, and I've enhanced it. It's not conclusive, but it does seem to have some anomalous texture in it, leading me to believe that it could be an object. All right. All right, we're in Alaska now, and we're at Metlakatla. I can't even say it. So, I guess I haven't shown this one before because I've never had trouble pronouncing something that like that before. Anyway, so all right, so here we have a UFO. Let's have a closer look. There it is. Don't recall any birds looking like that or airplanes. Looks more like a black and white Pokemon ball. Which I would not be surprised if the Pokemon stuff was not inspired from objects that come from our skies. As bizarre as that may sound, some of these objects look exactly like Pokemon objects, especially the ones with the hole right in the middle. All the Pokemon balls have these holes, and I know it sounds silly, but hey, these are strange times we're living in. Here we are at Cape Fanshawe, looking to the west at 3:22 in the afternoon, up in Alaska. And take a look at the interaction going on here with the sun or multiple suns. See a lot of plasma discharge. And then what I begin to notice here is what looks like potentially, you know, you've got something in the background, very orange, and then you've got what looks like a some yellow, and then what could be the simulator in front. I mean, this could be a trifecta situation here, where if there is a brown dwarf right behind it, and it's in perfect alignment with our sun, and we've got the sun simulator right in front of it, and we're seeing a lot of discharge going on at the same time, this could possibly be the cause of it. You know, this is a little suspect going on right there as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, question everything. February 23rd, 2017. We are at Stony Rapids East in Canada. Early morning. Progressing forward. Beautiful sunrise. And we see a little thing here. Oh. Look at that. What could cause that? Kind of looks like maybe two light sources here. Yeah, it looks like there's something off to the side there. Let's take a look at that a little closer. All right, so. Oh, okay, well first, this is another airport that I found. This one, this is also in Canada, and this morning. And then this is the picture that we were just looking at, where we can see a little something off to the side. I've enhanced it a little bit. You can clearly see that there is a yellow object off to the right, which in my opinion would be our real yellow sun that we've been looking for. What's in front here is more than likely a sun simulator, NASA patent